Okay. Got it. Yes, you have shared that to me. Yes. Just give me a moment. So were you able to solve all the questions, Adil? Like I've shared, I think 8 to 9 questions in the homework. So have you
No,
done all
not.
the questions?
Yeah, almost.
Adil, the picture you have sent to me is not in good quality, that PDF quality, because it's very blur. Like I'm not able to read anything right now. Like I can share that to you as well. Just give me a moment. Let me share the screen to you as well. Is my screen is this visible, Adil? Your PDF?
Yes.
Now you can see that this part. It's very blurry now.
Yeah.
Yeah, and this part as well. So you can do one thing, dear. Share this homework again to me with a very like normal scanner. Like you can use an Adobe Scan. Adobe Scan is very much better than Cam Scanner. They like it basically it gives you the better quality in terms of picture. If you want to make a PDF, okay. Can
Okay.
you do that, dear, after this class?
Yes.
Okay. Just give me a moment. Let me share the screen again to you. So because it's very blurry, so I won't like I'm not able to read it properly. So please share that thing to me again, dear. Okay, after this class, not right now, after this class. So that okay. So what we just give me a moment. Let me open the inside so that I can get the idea how much we have covered so far in the like do we need to perform like solve more numericals or not? Because so do you live in Jeddah, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you live in Riyadh. One of my I have one more student, Abdullah. He also lives in Riyadh. Fifth chapter. Just give me a moment here. Post in this term of an AP. Have you solved the logs question? 200 logs are stacked them in a manner like I think I've given that in the homework. Adil?
Yes.
So have you solved that question? Just like the logs are stacked up in a manner.
No.
You didn't solve that question.
No.
Just give me a moment. Let me check which. Uh, just a second.
No, I did.
Yes, dear.
No, I did.
You did.
Yes.
Okay, that's great. So actually, I would just want because it's a little bit tricky question, so that's why I was just asking whether you have done that thing or not. So okay, so one question is there. I'm giving that question to you for a practice. Let me check whether you are able to solve this question or not. So, do you take help from internet while solving the assignment, Adil? Be honest.
No.
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 So okay, so you whatever the question I give to you, so you are able to solve that question without any help. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, so If it's that thing, just solve this question, and then we will be doing some RD question, and then we will just end this chapter right here. Because a little bit question. Giving you 3 minutes, solve this question. Okay.
Okay.
Adil, done?
Yes.
That's great. What's your answer?
234.
What is the answer? 234.
Yes.
Okay, just a second. Just a moment, dear. Just a moment. Actually, my screen is a little bit freezing, so I'm just restart. Like, So let's solve this question that you are. Okay, let's solve this question. Okay, Adil. So the question is saying basically in a school, because basically in a school, students thought of planting trees in and around the school to reduce air pollution. So basically, it's a kind of value-based question. Okay, Adil. So basically, this question is saying school is asking to plant some trees for by the students. So it was decided that the number of trees that each section will plant will be same as the class. Each section will plant that number of trees. What is basically the number of the class equals to the number of the class. Like if the class is saying will be class is saying first class, so first class will plant one tree, second class will plant two trees, and up to 12th class will plant 12 trees. Clear? Yes or no, Adil?
Yes.
So now tell me, what should be the value of
One.
D, and all the things? Yes, Adil dear?
One.
1. Okay, let's solution. So basically A is equals to 1 because it's starting from class 1. Yes or no?
Yes.
Very good. What is the value of D?
2 minus 1.
2 minus 1, which means class 2 minus class 1, which is 1. Yes or no?
Yes.
Clear? Okay. So the last part is 12th. Yes or no?
Yes.
So what N will be 12? Yes or no?
Yes.
Just a second. N will be 12. Okay. Clear na?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. Now apply the formula. Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So n is 12 basically. So this will be 12 by 2 into 2 into 1 plus 12 minus 1 into 1. Yes or no?
Yes.
Clear? So
Yes.
S12 will be nothing but 6, 2 plus 11. Yes or no? So 6 into 13. So it would be 78. So basically the number of sections have, like each section will plant the number of plants equal to the number of class. Yes or no?
Yes.
So now we have found that each class is planting one tree, not planting the trees equal to the number of class, and each section has three, like each class has 3 sections. So we have found out the total, we have assumed that only one section is there right now, but if there are 3 sections, what we need to do?
Multiply by 3.
Multiply by 3. So total number of trees by 3 sections is equals to 78 into 3, which is 4 and 2, 370, 21, 234. Is that your answer, Adil dear?
Yes.
Sure? Is that
Yes.
clear to you, dear?
Yes.
Any doubt?
No.
Very good. Just a second. So one question is there. Yes, this one question. Okay, I'm taking one question from RD. Okay, because all the questions are of similar type right now in the NCRT. So we have covered the parts which are like the variety of questions from NCRT. Let me take one question from RD. Okay, Adil, because I have seen that two to three types of questions are there in the CBSE boards exam. So let me take one question, because I've seen that question. We have done quadratic equation, Adil.
Yes.
Okay, okay, that's great. Like we can do some questions related mixture of our like which involves the quadratic. Where is the question? I've seen that question. Just give me a moment. Okay, so I've got one question. So let's do that question. Okay, dear.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. The question is that thing. Where is the question? Yeah. Question is here. No, it's there. If the mth term of an AP is 1 by n, okay, and nth term is 1 by m. I've given you similar kind of question in which you have to prove that nth term is 1. Do you remember, Adil?
Yes.
In the nth term of an AP, show that the sum. If I give you 2 minutes, will you able to solve this? Will you give it a try?
Yes.
Okay. So that after that, till you can like just give it a try. At least I just want to have one question from the AP, sum of AP, because I've seen that question in the CBSE PYQs. So that's why I'm just and that question is from RD Sharma. So that's why I'm looking for that question. That question is very like if you are going for the boards and there's a 5 marker question from AP, so that the 90% of the chances are there that question will be there from the AP. If the like question comes from AP of 5 marker. So that's why just okay. So give it a try.
Okay.
Mn is this of Mn terms, sum of Mn terms is Mn plus 1 by 2. Okay, Adil? Just do it there. Any response, dear Adil? So it's nothing much.
An equals to 1 plus n minus 1.
Okay, just we need to prove this thing, dear. So let's solve this question. Okay, so mth term is given as, if the mth term is given as, so it's am, yes or no, dear? So this will be a plus m minus 1 into d, yes or no?
Yes.
Will be equals to what?
1 by n.
1 by n. So this is our equation first. And an is given as a plus n minus 1 into d is equals to what?
1
A
by
by
m.
1 by m. Clear, bache?
Yes.
Very good. We need to prove that sum of mn terms is mn plus 1 by 2. So Smn should be equals to, just a second. So just a second. I think I've missed. Let me check the question again, that I have written it right or not, because I think that I might have missed something. Yeah. If mn term, I think AP is this one. No, it's clear. Okay. So dear, can I can I subtract equation 2 by 1?
Yes.
Because Adil, if we need to find, like in the same previous question, I've told you that we need to find the value of a and d first. If you want the value of basically anything, if you want the value of mth term, if you want the value of sum of mth term, so what you need, we need basically a plus a and d, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, na? Yeah. So if I basically, Adil, see that if I subtract these equations, both the equation, this will subtract from this and this will subtract from this. So you can see that a minus a will be there, which means that a will get eliminated. We will get the value of d. Yes or no?
Yes.
So either you subtract 1 by 2 or 2 by 1. Subtracting equation 2 from 1. Equation 1. Okay. So this will be 1 by n minus 1 by m equals to a plus m minus 1 into d minus a plus n minus 1 into d. Clear?
Yes.
So this take now tell me, Adil, what will be the LCM of this?
Mn.
Mn. Very good. What will be come here in the numerator first?
1.
Adil, if Mn is there, no. If Mn is the LCM, now what you will do, you will divide the LCM by denominator of first part.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Mn divided by n. What will be left? Mn divided by n. Adil?
M minus n.
In the, yes, m minus n will be left in the numerator. Yes or no? Because if you divide mn by n, n will cancel out this, m will be left, so m will be here. If you divide mn by m, m will cancel, n will be left. So minus sign will be same it is, and n will be written here. Is that clear, bache? Any doubt, Adil? Adil? Adil, are you there?
No.
Is that clear to you, yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, equals to a plus m minus 1 into d minus this is positive, this will become negative, this is positive, this will become negative, n minus 1 into d. Is that clear, Adil? This will cancel out this.
Yes.
Yes or no? So what will be
Yes.
left? M minus n divided by mn equals to m minus 1 into d minus n minus 1 into d. Yes or no, Adil?
Yes.
So m minus n will be as it is, mn will be here. Can I take d common from both the sides, from both the part factors? D is common here, d is
Yes.
common here. Yes or no? What will be left?
Yes.
M minus 1 will be left. Minus part is there. Adil, if I remove this bracket, this is positive n. What will it become?
Negative.
Negative. This is negative minus 1. What will it become if I remove the bracket?
Positive.
Positive 1. Very good. Very good. This negative will cancel out this positive.
Yes.
Yeah. So m minus n divided by mn equals to d into m minus n. Yes or no? So
Yes.
Adil, this is in multiplication. If I shift this on the left hand side, where will it go?
Division.
Division. So m minus n in the numerator, m minus n in the denominator into mn. Yes or no?
Yes.
This mn whole will cancel out this mn. Yes or no, Adil?
Yes.
So d will be what? 1 by
Mn.
mn. Clear? Now, if you want the value of a, you will put the value of d here and you will get the value of a. Yes or no?
Yes.
Because m and n are given already in the question itself. So that's why we don't need to calculate the value of m and n because it's already given, na?
Yes.
Any doubt, Adil?
No.
Very good. So we need to what? Substitute the value of d in equation 1 or 2. It's up to you. The value will be same. Which in which equation you would like to substitute?
1.
Okay. Substitute d equals to 1 by mn in equation 1. So it is a plus m minus 1 into 1 by mn equals to 1 by n. Yes or no?
Yes.
So this will become a plus m minus 1 divided by mn equals to 1 by n. Yes or no, Adil?
Yes.
So a will be, this is positive sign. What will it become if I shift this thing on the right hand side? 1 by n minus m minus 1 divided by n. Yes or no? Mn.
Yes.
So okay, Adil?
Yes.
A equals to, Adil, what will be the LCM of these two?
Mn.
Mn. Very good. Now, what you will do? You will do that. You will divide the LCM by the denominator of first thing. First. Yes or no?
Yes.
What will be left if I divide mn by n?
M.
M will be left now, and m will be multiplied with the numerator.
Yes.
Minus. If I divide mn by mn, what you will get?
1.
1. And 1 will be multiplied, it will be remain as it is. So if I remove this bracket there, okay, don't remove the bracket first. Let's write the thing first here. Okay, equals to mn. Remove the bracket from this side. Just a second. M minus. Remove the bracket. This is positive. Minus will, if you take the minus, remove the bracket, what will it become?
Negative.
This is negative. If we remove the bracket, what will it become?
Positive.
Positive. So this will cancel out this. You will get what? 1 by mn. So it is the y equals to what? It is equals to d or not?
Yes.
Yes, na?
Yes.
Very good. So now you need to find out the value of Smn. Basically, you need to prove that Smn is equals to mn plus 1 by 2. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So Adil, if n he is mn here, n is what? Mn in this question, yes or no?
Yes.
So what will be the formula of SMN? Can you tell me, bache?
N by 2.
Yes, Adil? Okay, just write down the formula first of Sn normally. N by 2,
2A
2a plus
n minus 1
n
into
minus
D.
1 into d. Okay. Okay, Adil. What is the value of n here in this question?
Mn by
Mn. So what will you write here instead of n?
Mn by 2.
Mn by 2. 2. What is the value of a?
1 by Mn.
1 by Mn. Very good, Adil. Very good. Just let me write that thing again to you. 1 by Mn plus, what is the value of n here?
Mn by
Mn. Okay. Minus 1 will be as it is. What is the value of d? It is Mn. 1 by Mn, sorry. Clear?
yes. Yes.
Equals to, so 2 by Mn plus m minus Mn. Let me write that thing again. By Mn. Yes or no? So
Yes.
Adil, tell me Mn by 2. The denominator of these two are same, nothing but Mn.
Yes.
Yes or no, Adil?
Yes.
So you will directly add them 2 plus Mn minus 1. Yes or no?
Yes.
So Mn by 2. So 2 positive, 1 negative. Yes or no?
Negative. Yes.
So it will be positive 1 Mn plus
Yes.
1 divided by Mn. So this is in multiplication, this is in division. So it will cancel or not?
Yes.
So your Smn will be equals to Mn plus 1 divided by 2. This is what we need to prove, Adil. Yes or no?
Yes.
Any doubt here? Hence proved.
No.
Sure?
Yes.
Any doubt?
No.
Okay. That's great. So I have got one question here. Just a simple, straightforward, not a straightforward question. It's a good question. It's of CBSE. Was after that we'll be just ending this chapter. Okay, Adil.
Okay.
So which is the question? Yes, question is if not the solution, it's question. Sorry. So Adil, which chapter you would like to start after this?
Third.
Linear equation.
Yes.
Okay, very okay, dear. Denotes this, and then we will start the triangles chapter. Is that will it be fine to you?
Yes.
And after that, we'll be starting the circles. We will move on to the geometrical part after that.
Okay.
First, n terms of an AP prove that you would like to give a like attempt to this question, Adil.
Yes.
Okay, that's very great that you are continuously giving some attempts. So try to solve the whole question, dear. Okay.
Okay.
Just don't think that I'm giving attempt or like whether it will solve. Just think that I'm going to solve this question and I will try to solve it properly. Okay, giving you 2 minutes again, solve this question. After that, if not, we will be just doing the thing. Like we will be doing it together.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Go ahead and let me know. Adil, so have you given the did you have the assessment of sum of terms of AP?
Yes.
Okay, okay, okay. Just I want to confirm that. Okay, dear. Okay. Adil, you didn't have any assessment of the SN terms. So Adil, you will be having an assessment, okay, after this class. Okay, dear.
No.
So after this class, Adil, what you will do, you will send me the PDF of that homework again, okay? So that
Okay.
okay, and try to attempt the PYQs, dear. Okay. After
No.
this time, after this class, you will be having the PYQs in the app. Just go through them. If you have any doubt, and let me know. Okay.
Okay.
Sure.
Yes.
Okay. Any response? Any answer?
No, I'm doing it.
Okay. Try to do it. It's a very straightforward. Nothing but first you need to find out the value of S20. Then you will need to find out the value of S10. Then you will subtract, and you will find out the value of S30. Giving you 1 minute, and then we'll solve the question. If not, if you are not able to solve this.
Okay.
Yeah. So I think you will be having a periodic test in the coming month.
Yes.
Which chapters are coming?
Till 7th and 13th.
Which chapter?
1 to
7th.
7. 1 to 7 and 13.
Periodic test. In periodic test.
Yes. No.
I'm asking the periodic test. Basically, that I think 2 to 3 chapters comes in the periodic test.
Yes.
Yeah. So which chapters are there in your periodic test?
Till 5, I think.
Yes, Adil.
Till 5.
1 to 5.
Yes.
Okay, no issues. I thought that maybe triangle or circles or A related to circles will be coming.
No.
Okay, okay. Okay, so do you study physics yourself?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. So basically whole science.
Yes.
Okay, that's great. Okay, so let's look at the screen, Adil. Don't just verify how much you have done correctly. Okay.
No.
Okay, so basically there are two approaches for this question. First, what you will do, you will find out the value. Basically what you will do, you will find out the value of S20 first, because 20 is given, which means that n would be 20, and then you will find out the value of S10. Like the A or D is not given, you will leave the A and D as it is. Just put the value of n as 20. So you will get the relation between S20 and S10. And if you subtract both the equation and multiply it with 3, and if you find out the value of S30 explicitly, so they will be equal. So first approach is this. Clear? Another
Yes.
approach is this, that if you basically you will subtract the S10, 20 and S10, and what you will do, you will find out the value of S30. You will basically get a relation. So 3 will be common there, and when you will take the 3 common outside, there will be the relation which is S20 minus S10. So that's the second approach. So let's look at let's start, and then we will think which approach should we take. Okay, so first is, we are starting the proof. Okay, Adil. So basically,
Okay.
so I'm finding out the value of S10. Just a second. A is basically A and D is basically D. Yes or no? And N will
Yes.
is equals to 10. That's the thing. Na? So your S10
Yes.
will be, let me write the Sn first and then S10. Sn as N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. So your S10 is equals to 10 by 2, 2A plus 10 minus 1 into D. Okay, Adil? So your S10 will be 2 5s are 10. So it will be 5.
Yes.
2A plus 9D. Yes or no, Adil?
Yes.
Just multiply 5 into the bracket. So your S10 will be 2 5s are 10A. 2 5s are 10A, na? Plus
Yes.
2 9s are, oh, sorry, 9 5s are 45. So
Yes.
45D. So yeah, that's your equation first. Clear, Adil?
Yes.
Okay. Let's find out the value of, in this case, A is equals to A again. D is equals to D again, because it's not given. We will assume that it's, we will take the basic notation, what we use, basically what we have used in throughout the chapter. N is 20 here. Yes or no, Adil?
Yes.
So let's write down the formula. N by 2 by into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Clear, bache? So
Yes.
your S20 is 20 by 2 into 2 into 2A plus N minus is 20 minus 1 into D. Yes or no? This will cancel
Yes.
out by 10 times. So
Yes.
your S20 is 10 into 2A plus 19D. Yes or no, Adil? So this
Yes.
will be your S20 will be what? Your S20 will be 20A plus 19D is 190D. Yes or no?
Yes.
That's your equation number 2. Is that clear, Adil?
Yes.
Any doubt?
No.
Okay. Okay. So what we can do, we need to do nothing but the question is saying we have to subtract S20 minus S10. We will do
Yes.
according to the question. We are not going to do anything like beyond the question. Okay, Adil?
No.
So subtracting equation to, so not equation to, equation 1 from equation 2. From means second में से first को minus करना है. Is that clear, Adil?
Yes.
Because S20 is there, na? So S20 is our second equation. So from second we are subtracting 1 from second. So your basically S20 minus S10 will be equals to, what is left here? Sorry, 20A plus 190D. 20A plus 190D minus 10A plus 45D. Okay, Adil?
Yes.
So S20 minus S10 is equals to 20A plus 190D minus 10A, because it's positive, na? And again positive here, so it would be negative again.
Yes.
So your S20 minus S10 is equals to 20 minus 10 is what? 10.
Okay.
190 minus 45. So it will be plus 145D. Yes or no? So that's your equation number 3. Okay. Just
Yes.
let's find out the value of S3 first. S3 now. Now, N is equal, just a second. A is A. A will be A, na?
Yes.
A will be A. D will be D. And N is 30 in this case. Clear, Adil?
Yes.
So your Sn will be Nn by 2. I'm writing again and again because Adil, you need to write the formula in the exam as well. When you will write this formula, these formula carry half marks. If you don't write it, teacher will deduct your half marks. Like some of the teacher usually do that. That's why I'm saying. Plus of N minus 1 into D equals to. So S30 will be equals to what? S30 is 30 by 2.
16.
Clear?
Yes.
Into 2A plus N minus 1 is nothing but
31.
30 minus 1 into D. This will cancel this 15 times. Yes or no, Adil? So your
Yes.
S30 will be equals to, this is 15 to the 30A plus
Yes.
29D. Okay, just a second. Let me write that thing. Okay, just a second. Let me write that thing here. So, sorry. So it's 30. Let me complete this thing here. So S30 is equals to 15 into 2A plus of 29D. Okay, Adil? Is that clear, Adil?
Yes.
So 30A plus of 15 into 29. 29 tens are 290 and 29 fives are 290 and it would be 145. 290 and 145 is, just a second, 290 and 390, 45, 390 and 45, 5, 943, 435. Okay. So it's 435. 435D. That's your equation number 4. So Adil, if I take 3 common here, can I take 3 common? Because 435, let's find out whether 435 is divisible by 3 or not. We will find out that thing first. 3 ones are 3. 1 carry here. 3 fours are 12. Yes or no?
Yes.
And 1 will be carried out 15 and 3 fives are 15. Yani ki 145 is there if I divide the 435 by 3. 145 will be the quotient. So Adil dear, can I write this thing as 3 into 10a plus 3 into 145d. Yes or no? Now tell me this thing. Is that clear to you? Yes or no, Adil?
Yes.
Yes, na? Am I right? Can I write
Yes.
this thing or not?
Yes.
Very good. Can I take 3 common from the both the sides?
Yeah.
3 is common here, 3 is common here. Can I do that thing or not?
Yeah.
I can, na? So 3 will be common here. 10a is left plus 145d in the bracket is left. Yes or no? That's your equation
Yes.
number 4. Clear? Now see,
Yes.
what is the value of S20 minus S10? 10a plus 145d. 10a plus 145d. Can I replace this thing by S20 minus S10?
Yes.
Yes, na? So what you will do, you will substitute equation 3 in equation 4. Substitute equation 3 in equation 4, Adil. Yes or no?
Yes.
So your S30 will be equals to 3 into S20 minus S10. That's what we need to prove. Hence proved. Yes or no, Adil? Is that clear to you or not? Please be honest with me.
Yes.
Any doubt in this?
No.
Sure?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
So that's what the first approach is. Because what you will you basically you get a relationship between S20 minus S10 if you take a 3 common here. Another thing you can do that thing is this. You just multiply this the value by 3. You will get 30a plus 435d. Yes or no?
Yes.
And you when you will basically like find out the value of S30, this would become 30a plus 45d. Suppose this will be your fifth equation. What fourth equation will be 3 into S20 minus S10, and your fifth equation will be S30 equals to S30 30a plus 435d. Is that clear? So from equation 4 and 5, you will basically you will prove that thing.
Okay.
Is that clear, Adil?
Yes.
Any doubt?
No.
So now that was the second approach. So second approach was not that much, you can say, like appropriate. So that's why I didn't take that approach. I take this approach because it's a much, you can say, a much explanatory and a much more beautiful looking explanation rather than doing that thing. That was nothing but you will do that explanation in case when you are not able to find out the relation between the two. Like suppose that you are in exam and suppose you just somehow forget the things. It's happened there in the exam because that's a like a very pressurized environment. So that approach you can take that approach in the exam if you are not able to solve by this approach. But if you do this thing, that would be much more better. If you got it dear, yes or no?
Yes.
So now we are completely like we have covered all the